everyone. Today I am thrilled to talk about ESG, environmental, social and governance, a framework that's becoming the foundation of responsible business practices globally. ESG is not just a corporate buzzword, it's call to action for companies to balance profit with purpose. Whether it's tackling climate change, promoting human rights or ensuring transparent governance, ESG principles are reshaping the way we do business. Let us dive more into the ESG so vital and impactful.
What is ESG? Let's start with the E, which stands for environment. This pillar addresses issues like climate risk, carbon footprints, and achieving net zero emissions. For instance, businesses worldwide are aligning with the Paris Agreement to limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Companies are also adopting the concept of a circular economy where resources are reused and waste is minimized, creating sustainable growth.
Now on to the S, social. This focuses on people and communities. Terms like diversity, equity and inclusion highlights the importance of fair representation and equal opportunities in the workplace. Another critical area is human rights, due diligence, ensuring supply chains are free from exploitation.
Finally, the G, which stands for governance. This pillar emphasizes corporate ethics and accountability. Concepts like board diversity and whistleblower protections are essential for transparent decision making and fostering trust. For example, many multinational corporations now follow the OECD guidelines for responsible business conduct to maintain integrity in operations.
Why does ESG matter? It's simple. Businesses that adopt ESG practices are not only making a positive impact on the world, but also achieving long-term success. Studies show that sustainable companies are more resilient to risks like climatic change and societal pressure. Moreover, investors are increasingly prioritizing ESG-aligned organizations, making a social imperative.
Let's look at some practical examples. Green bonds are being used to fund renewable energy projects, while initiatives like Climate Action 100+ are pushing major corporations to reduce emissions. On the governance front, companies are using frameworks like the Global Reporting Initiatives to ensure their ESG efforts are measurable and transferable.
Now, let me share a few trends reshaping ESG. First is ESG matrix standardization. Investors are demanding consistency in reporting. Frameworks like SASB, TCFD, and EU taxonomy are helping businesses streamline how they measure and communicate ESG performances.
The second is green financing. The rise of green bonds and sustainability-linked loans shows how investors are prioritizing ESG-aligned projects.
Third is AI and ESG. Artificial intelligence is being used to track emissions, reduce waste, and analyze supply chain risk, bringing precision to ESG communities.
Adopting ESG principles is no longer optional. It is a necessity for long-term success. Companies with strong ESG practices are better prepared to manage risk, attract investments, and stay relevant in an increasingly contentious world. Investors and consumers are now placing higher value on organizations that align with ESG principles, recognizing their commitment to global challenges. Ultimately, ESG is a call to action for all the stakeholders, businesses, investors, and individuals to collaborate for a sustainable future. It is about creating systems that balance profit with purpose and ensuring that growth today does not compromise opportunities for future generations. By embracing ESG, we can build a resilient and equitable world for all.